Hi, my name's Doug Heller. I'm a member of the technical service group here at Task Force Tips, and here to just provide you a quick overview of the new tie-down strap and storage pouch for the Blitzfire. You see we have it tied down here. The pouch is attached over here to the carabiner end. The pouch is permanently affixed to the strap, and the strap is permanently affixed to the monitor. To store this away, you can simply fold the strap back upon itself, working from the bag end back towards the monitor, and you can stop when you reach this tail end. Insert that in the bag as neatly as possible. The bag has a snap closure with a little tail. What you want to do is tuck that tail through this loop in the strap where it's affixed to the monitor, and then snap it to the bag. That will keep everything retained in the bag, so it's all contained in there neatly, ready for the next deployment. We changed from the previous storage wheel that used to be in this unit to the storage bag for ease of deployment and storage as far as packing it away. The previous one was wound around an aluminum wheel, which wasn't very intuitive as to its storage, and then locked into the unit. In some cases it was difficult to get in or get it back out when the strap was needed to be deployed. So the canvas bag offers easier storage as well as easier deployment. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to find us at tft.com.